welcome to Excel tutorial. In this video, I will show you how to use flash fill to clean up your data without using any function or formula. Here in column B, we have city and states, and in column C, we would like to extract just the city. The problem is New York has two words, Baltimore has one, Chicago is written in all caps, Salt Lake City starts with small letters. So we'd like to achieve uniformity in column C. To do this, we type in New York the way we would like it to appear. Press our enter key. In the next cell, we begin with B. We type in B for Baltimore. Notice that we have an autofill. We have Seattle, Chicago, Salt Lake City, and every other city suggested to us. This is a function of flash fill. Here again, there is an issue. The issue is the suggestions are exactly the way they are in column B, and this is not what we want. We want our information in column C to be corrected, to be cleaned up. So what do? We simply train our flash fill. To do this, we escape and remove Baltimore. Let's come down to Miami and type in capital M, Miami. Okay, now that we're done doing that, we select the whole column where we would like to transfer our information. After that, you click on data, come to flash fill, and here it is. We have our data corrected, the city names written the way they should be in column C. This is a function of the flash fill. I would also like to show you how to apply flash fill in extracting last name and first name. Notice in column F we have first name from row 2 to row 15, and in column G we have last name from row 2 to row 15 as well. Here in column F, we would like to extract last name first before the first name. Now, how do we achieve this? There are flash fill features in Excel. We can simply achieve this without using any function or formula. To do this, we first type in Bud followed by a space, then the first name, then we hit our enter key. The next thing to do is to type in the letter K, which is the first letter in the last name here. So we type in K. Notice that the flash fill has immediately made some suggestions. Is this what we want? Exactly, this is what we want. So we press our enter key to accept it. Simple. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel so you will receive more videos when I post them. See you.